Your job as an engineering lead is hard, really hard. You get a messy code and you are asked to review it. Is it a security flaw or just a floating point error waiting to happen? You need another senior engineer to review the code together. You need an AI agent. Hi, I am Ashish Agarwal and welcome back to your favorite channel, Coders Academy. Wait, agent? Let's define the terms first because everyone is using them wrong. Agent isn't some magical, sentient coworker. It's just an LLM configured with specific instructions, a set of personality, and sometimes the ability to execute the tools. Think of it like specialized script with memory. And where do we build them? Mistral AI Studio. It is Mistral's platform for designing, testing, and deploying agents using their own models, including the powerful Mistral large model, all within the clean web UI. To get started, we'll go to the Mistral AI website and sign up using our account. Once signed in, go to the agents option on the left side, create an agent, give your agent a meaningful name and description, and hit create agent. Now an agent is successfully created. That is the agent ID. Copy it, and if you want you can also programmatically access it from Python. The sample code is here. Then that TypeScript, the sample code for that is also given, or you can make use of curl URL to access it. So these are all the models that is available in the AI Studio. So CodeStral, DevStral, Medium, you can go through the entire list over here. So we have used Magistral Small first, and any instructions, there is no configuration for this, there is no description, save agent. Okay, so our agent is now saved. Now we will give the instructions. So our instructions is, you are a senior staff engineer. Your goal is to triage a technical snippet or architectural questions. Always respond in markdown format, starting with executive summary, critical risk, immediate action plan, and tone. So we'll save the changes. It is showing us the options for reviewing the change before and after. So we'll save that. Now to reduce the hallucination, we will change the value of temperature to 0.2, save the agent, done. Now here I have a sample price calculator function that I have written in Python, which calculates the discount, applies the tax rate, and gives the value of the final price. But it does not account for many test cases like the edge case scenario or input validation or divide by zero values. So this is where we will use the agent. So we have got the response from the agent now. So this is a test call. Okay, now here, so it starts with the thought. So you can see this is the assistant response. The thoughts are, let's analyze the code snippet for calculating final price. The function calculate final price and there's some discount. Well, let's consider potential issues. So input validation, rounding problems, and edge cases. Okay, so if we close this and go down, so you see it starts with this executive summary. This is what it had asked us. So executive summary, 2-3 sentences of the overview of the technical context. Okay, now critical risk, give me a bulleted points. Okay, so first is input validation, floating point precision issue, and potential edge cases issue. Then immediate action plan and S cases. Now we can also try it programmatically. So we'll open a Windows PowerShell, go to our projects folder, make a directory called demo Mistral agent, cd into it, and do a UV init. I've also opened the VS Code editor so that we can simultaneously take a look at the changes happening in the folder. Okay, so now we'll add the python.env library. Now it's important to follow this version of Mistral AI only because the new latest version does not work. Okay, so we have added the two libraries that we needed for this. Now we go to the main function, and here we have added the code. The code is very simple and easy to understand. We have the import statements first, then the API key loading from the env file, and there's a chat response, and then printing the response. So in the lib, you have important to go to Mistral AI init py. This file has to exist there, okay, for the code to work. So you can verify from the toml file, the Mistral AI version and the python.env. Now we'll go to the files and create a .env file. Mention your Mistral API key here. You can get the Mistral API key from the AI Studio itself. Save it. Okay. Now once again we can verify the details here in the toml file. Go to the UV log, verify the Mistral version is correct over here. So it should be 1.7. Okay. Now let's run the code and give it a try. Oh, one more thing. So we have to add the agent also here. You can go to the URL. There you see the agent ID in the URL itself. Copy that and paste it in your code. So once that is done, we have asked here to review a function def add AB. Now let's run this. Okay, so we have got an error. Let's look at the error. Input should be a valid directory. There are some areas around pydantic which is getting complaint from this. So pydantic core validation error, validation of unmarshal thinking, etc. Okay. So looks like the model that we have selected is a thinking model. That's why it is not able to process. So let's go to the AI Studio. Here we have selected magistral small latest. Okay, so this is the model that we have selected. We'll see whether we can change the thinking capability from here itself. So update agent, there is no option to change the thinking capability here. Edit copy agent ID, version history, none of it there. Response format is text or JSON schema. So I am not able to find any option to change or disable the thinking ability of a model. So let's go to Google and search for the answer. So how to disable the thinking in Mistral AI Studio for agents. Yeah, so it has given us multiple options here. You can use a standard model like Mistral small, Mistral large, Mistral next, or you can change the instruction given to the agent itself so as to use the answer without any reasoning process, disable via API prompts, or remove the thinking mode in the lichat option which is available in Mistral. Okay, so let's give it a try. We'll try one of these options first. So I've come back to the AI Studio here. We'll first try to change the model here. So I have magistral first, and now I will select Mistral small. So Mistral small is the model which is a standard model. So Mistral small, there you go. Okay, so save agent. Now review your changes. Okay, before doing this, right, let's first verify that magistral is giving the problem. Okay, so I'm not saving the change, refreshing the page. So you can see the old model itself here, magistral small. Now our prompt is the same. So we'll first try answer directly without showing any reasoning process. So I'll go to the instruction, go to the bottom and add that over here. Save the agent changes. Like before, it will show you before and after. Accept the changes, and we'll use the same price calculator option over here. We have got a response. Now if you go to the top, the user is the one we started with, then there's a test call, and then assistant. Yeah, this is the thought section which the code is not able to process. So somehow we still want the thought section not to appear. So now let's change the model to Mistral small. So Mistral small, save the changes, no changes over here, save it, agent saved successfully. And now we will use the same code example again. This time it should not give us the thought section. So we go to the top. Okay, this is the second call that we had, and this was the first call. Okay, so second run is starting from here. Okay, so user section is there, test call is there, and assistant. Yeah, so you see that the thought section is not appearing here, and the rest of the response is exactly in line with our instructions with the Mistral Small. Now we will give it the code a try again. So UV run main. Yeah, this time it has worked properly. I will just copy the response so that we can read that correctly. So I'm copying this response, pasting it into Perplexity and asking it to format so that we can read it properly. Okay, so now here is the response that we get from Perplexity as well. So here you can read the complete chat choice here, executive summary, other details, what is the model that we have used, and executive summary, then type error, immediate action plan, and other details. So there you have it, a simple AI agent built in a convenient platform called Mistral AI. We just saw how easy it was to build an agent using the AI Studio in Mistral. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. For more such fun videos on AI, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.